If you are trying to heal your skin, your gut, your hormones, or your energy levels, and it feels like the harder you try, the worse things get, this video is for you. A lot of people see some results when healing until they don't, or they get worse. Why is this happening? They're following health advice that actually works against the body. Today, I want to walk you through some of the most common health traps people fall into when they are trying to do the right thing, especially for skin and chronic symptoms. These are trends that sound smart, disciplined, and science-backed on the surface, but actually make healing harder underneath. One of the biggest problems in the wellness space is that information gets oversimplified and then taken to extremes. The body does not heal through punishment, it heals through support. Much of what I am sharing today is based on medical medium information, which focuses on how the liver, nervous system, and immune system function when it comes to chronic symptoms and skin issues. Let's start with one of the biggest traps of all. Trap number 1. The protein law. There is an intense focus right now on eating as much protein as possible. More protein for energy, more protein for healing, more protein for mental clarity. But here's what most people are missing. The brain and nervous system primarily run on glucose and mineral salts, not fat and not excessive protein. When protein intake is too high and carbohydrates are too low, the body has to compensate by releasing adrenaline to keep blood sugar stable. That adrenaline might feel like energy at first, but over time it stresses the liver, thickens the blood, aggravates the nervous system, and shows up as anxiety, breakouts, hormonal issues, and fatigue. This is not about avoiding protein. It is about not letting protein crowd out the glucose your body actually needs to heal. Trap number 2, high-fat diets for brain health. Another common belief is that the brain is mostly fat and therefore it needs a high-fat diet to function properly. In reality, the brain is primarily made of water and glucose. When dietary fat is consistently high, especially combined with stress or toxins, the blood becomes thicker and the liver becomes overburdened. A sluggish liver cannot filter toxins efficiently. When toxins circulate longer in the bloodstream, the skin becomes a backup detox pathway. This is why high-fat diets often lead to stubborn acne, eczema, rashes, and inflammation, even when everything else looks clean. Fat is not the enemy, but excess fat slows healing. Trap number 3, parasite confusion. There is a growing belief that parasites are the main cause of chronic mystery illness. While parasites do exist, they are rarely the root cause of long-term symptoms. Viruses and bacteria are the primary drivers behind chronic conditions like acne, eczema, anxiety, fatigue, and autoimmune symptoms. Many worms can actually coexist in the body for decades without causing issues. Focusing obsessively on parasites can distract people from supporting the immune system, liver, and nervous system, which are the real keys to healing. Trap number 4, seed oil demonization. Some seed oils are absolutely harmful, especially canola, soy, and corn oil. But the recent trend of demonizing all seed oils creates unnecessary fear and confusion. Not all seed oils act the same in the body. The bigger issue is processed foods, rancid oils, and chemical exposure combined with an overburdened liver. When healing becomes about fear instead of nourishment, the nervous system stays activated and healing slows. Trap number 5, ineffective supplement hype. There is aggressive marketing right now around supplements like collagen, creatine, whey protein, and methylene blue. These supplements are often promoted as healing solutions, but they do not address the root causes of chronic illness or skin issues. Collagen and whey protein can actually burden the liver and digestive system. Creatine and similar compounds can stress the kidneys and the nervous system. Methylene blue does not resolve viral load, toxin exposure, or mineral deficiencies. Supplements cannot replace foundational support like hydration, glucose, mineral salts, and liver care. Trap number 6, caffeine culture. Don't come for me for this one. Caffeine is one of the most normalized health traps. It is often praised for focus, productivity, and metabolism, but caffeine is dehydrating. It suppresses immune function and it places stress on the adrenal glands. It also tightens facial tissues over time, which is why it is referred to as a wrinkle maker and a lip shrinker. Caffeine aggravates nerves, it contributes to anxiety and hot flashes, and it burdens the liver's detox pathways. Energy that comes from stimulation is borrowed energy, and the body always collects the debt later. Trap number 7, apple cider vinegar shots. Apple cider vinegar shots are often marketed as digestion and gut health hacks. In reality, straight vinegar is highly acidic and corrosive. It erodes tooth enamel, irritates the throat and stomach lining, and can weaken hydrochloric acid production over time rather than supporting it. For sensitive nervous systems and compromised digestion, vinegar shots create stress, not healing. The gut heals through gentleness, mineral support, and proper hydration, not acid shock. Look, if you take away anything from this video, let it be this. Healing is not about being extreme. It is about removing what burdens the body and adding what supports it. The body wants to heal. Your skin wants to heal. When you stop falling into health traps and start nourishing your system consistently, things begin to shift. Not overnight, but steadily. If you are trying to heal your skin and feel overwhelmed by conflicting advice, take the advice from someone who healed chronic skin conditions naturally. I created a free no foods guide for clear skin, linked in the description below. It helps you identify common foods that slow healing without fear or restriction. And if you want deeper guidance and private access to me as you go all in on your healing, the Clear Skin Blueprint is where we do this work together. Your body is not broken, it just needs the right support. If this video helped you, leave a comment and tell me which health trap surprised you the most.